Today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Outlook with Clickup. This simple integration will make managing your tasks and calendar events seamless, keeping all your important dates and deadlines in sync so you never miss anything. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner and click it. If you want a faster login, select Sign In with Google, then choose the Google account that's linked to your Clickup workspace. This will take you directly to your Clickup dashboard, giving you access to all your tasks and projects. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Click it to open a drop-down menu. Hover over Apps, and from the options that appear, click App Center. This is Clickup's hub for all integrations and external app connections, allowing you to expand your workspace capabilities. In the App Center, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Outlook, and you should see Outlook Calendar appear in the results. Click on it to open the integration page. Here, you'll find detailed information about the features of this integration, including syncing tasks and calendar events across platforms. Next, click the Configure button. This will start the setup process. Follow the prompts carefully, ensuring that you allow Clickup to access your Outlook account. After configuration, you'll see a Connect button. Click it, and your Outlook calendar will now be linked with Clickup. From this point forward, any updates you make in Clickup will reflect in Outlook and vice versa, giving you a true two-way sync. With this integration in place, all your meetings, tasks, and deadlines stay aligned. You can now manage your schedule and projects in one place without worrying about missing important dates. This setup is ideal for teams, freelancers, or anyone managing multiple calendars at once. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Outlook with Clickup. By taking this simple step, you'll save time, reduce confusion, and keep your workflow fully synchronized across both platforms. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more productivity tips. Happy organizing!